about, but it ain't no doubt that I'll take a loss. This is something I don't wanna do, but I gotta do it, make a move. And I gotta do it just because things ain't the same as what they were. It's time to move forward, gotta move forward, gotta move forward. I'm moving
I know I gotta see you again.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be over this natural texturized wig, synthetic wig at that I received from Divatress.com. If you guys would like to know more details, make sure you keep on watching. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe down below by pressing that subscribe button and tap that bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. So today's wig is going to be over this kinky, texturized, natural kind of wig that I received from Divatress.com. I will link all of the hair info down below so you'll be able to find it. This wig does, I believe, run under 40 bucks, most definitely. This is from one of their Curls and Kinks collection, and you know, it ranges from like 3B to 4C, but this is definitely more on like my side of type of hair. You know, you could easily do some leave out with it, but I have my hair in braids obviously, so I'm not going to be, you know, leaving out any of my hair. But if you want to leave out some of your natural hair in the beginning, you could definitely do that and get away with it, because, you know. The part that comes with this wig is going to be a deep curve part, which is right here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's no other lace around it besides the edging, but even on the edging, it's not that much. This wig also comes in different hair colors. You have like a 99J, your 30, you have a burgundy, you have a 27, you have a 30, and you have a red. But honestly, I wouldn't even do any crazy color with this being such a natural hairstyle. They come with like a few baby hairs, but they're kind of hard to locate. So I feel like if honestly I was going to go back and add some, I'll have to go back and cut them out. That's just what it is. Today's style that I'm wearing is called Boss Lady in the color 4. Hey. Like, this is a really cute wig, and like this is the first time I've ran across a synthetic one that looks like almost as natural as this does. This literally matches my hair. Back of this little info card, it tells you how to maintenance and take care of it. It also has different tips about like how to take care of the wig and like taking care of your natural hair too outside of it, which is a really good thing because you want to make sure you're taking care of what's under here so you're not bald. If you guys would like to see how I styled this wig, just keep on watching.
Stuck in my mind, think I need some flows to get you about, but it ain't no doubt that I'll take a loss. This is something I don't wanna do, but I gotta do it, make a move. And I gotta do it just because things ain't the same as what they were. It's time to move forward, gotta move forward, gotta move forward. I'm moving forward, even though sometimes I press rewind. I'm moving forward, I just can't keep on wasting time. I'm moving forward, I'm moving forward. Even though I love you, even though I miss you, won't be able to kiss you, won't be able to touch you, won't be able to fuck you, no. That'll be the hardest thing, I swear. Always staring at the phone when you call, and you blowing up my call out, tryna see if I'm involved, tryna see if I'm fucking around with somebody else. Yeah, but her sex ain't really better than yours, no. But we always going at it. When we fuss, it's like some tragic. I can feel the heat in the room, tension building up inside of you. Baby, let me know what we gon' do. Need to let me know what we gon' do right now. I need to get the fuck up out of town now. You're stuck in my mind, you're stuck in my mind. Think I need some flows to get you about, but it ain't no doubt that I'll take a loss. This is something I don't wanna do, but I gotta do it, make a move. And I gotta do it just because things ain't the same as what they were. It's time to move forward, gotta move forward, gotta move forward. I'm moving forward, even though sometimes I press rewind. I'm moving forward, I just can't keep on wasting time. I'm moving forward, being with you all this time, you done got me used to rubbing on them soft legs, laying right beside you. When everything good and cool, those are the best times. When we all alone in the backseat of my car, rolling up another roll, kicking shit, just kicking it. About to smoke on some good shit, but it seemed like over time they got so old. Oh man, that shit done got real. Let me tell you how I feel, yeah. It's going at it. When we fuss, it's like something tragic. I can feel the heat in the room, tension building up inside.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Honestly, for all my natural girls, if you're tired of wearing your hair and you want to do like very little leave out, you know, this might be the wig for you. They have different styles, different lengths, but I just chose this one. And honestly, it took me a minute to kind of like this one, but it's starting to grow on me. I won't even lie. But that's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.